and we have to make a solution to prevent those infections or the hospital-acquired infection, specifically the CRBSI. A hemodialysis complication is a life-saving but often accompanied by complication according to KDIGO and KDOQI guidelines. Other complication includes hypotension, access problem, fluid and electrolyte imbalances, dyspnea, neurological deficit, and chills. Here we see the hospital surveillance monitoring of um I'm of the facility I'm working. It is a data from year 2023 to 2025 at Jose Bilingad Memorial General Hospital. This system track only the monthly catheter-related bloodstream infection cases but outsource and in-house. For example, April 2023 recorded four outsourced cases, while by 2025, only one case was noted. Overall, outsourced cases declined from 11 in 2023 to just one in 2025. These demonstrate progress but also highlights the need for sustained prevention. Chills are strongly linked to catheter-related bloodstream infection in patients with temporary vascular access. Early recognition of chills can prevent progression to sepsis and saves life. The purpose of this study is to assess the effectiveness of enhanced CLABSI bundles with chlorhexidine adjuncts, compare the infection rate before and after its implementation, and provide evidence base for upgrading standard care. For the research question, these studies sought to answer three major questions. What was the incident before the enhanced CLABSI bundle? What is the incident after its implementation? And how can infection control be further improved? Enhanced CLABSI bundles means safer care for patients, stronger prevention roles for nurses, and reduced costs with better quality indicators for institutions.